Welcome to RenewEnergy.com, your renewable energy and sustainability platform. At RenewEnergy.com, we believe in the power of clean, sustainable energy to transform the way we live and work. That's why we offer a range of solutions for businesses and homeowners looking to switch to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and water. Renewable energy is rapidly becoming a key source of power for the world, with many countries committing to transitioning to clean energy in order to combat climate change. However, the current energy infrastructure is not designed for a high penetration of renewable energy, and significant changes must be made in order to achieve a sustainable energy system. One of the most promising ways to achieve this goal is through the digitalization of renewable energy. Digitalization refers to the use of digital technologies such as artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML, to optimize and manage the energy system. These technologies can be used to predict and optimize energy production, improve energy efficiency, and manage the energy grid. In this way, digitalization can help to make renewable energy a more reliable and cost-effective source of power. One of the key benefits of digitalization is the ability to predict and optimize energy production. With ML algorithms, it is possible to predict the amount of energy that will be produced by a renewable energy source such as solar or wind power. This can help to ensure that there is always enough energy to meet demand, and it can also help to minimize the need for energy storage. In addition, digitalization can also be used to optimize the operation of renewable energy sources to ensure that they are producing energy at the most efficient and cost-effective times. Another important benefit of digitalization is the ability to improve energy efficiency. Digital technologies can be used to monitor and control energy consumption in real time, helping to identify areas where energy is being wasted. For example, AI algorithms can be used to predict when a building will be occupied and adjust the heating and lighting accordingly. This can help to reduce energy consumption and lower costs. Digitalization can also be used to manage the energy grid. With the growing penetration of renewable energy, it is becoming increasingly important to have a smart energy grid that can adapt to changes in energy demand and supply. Digital technologies can be used to monitor and control the flow of energy on the grid, ensuring that it is always in balance. This can help to minimize the need for energy storage and reduce the costs of managing the grid. In addition to these benefits, digitalization can also help to make renewable energy more accessible to a wider range of people. For example, digital platforms can be used to connect households and businesses with local renewable energy sources, allowing them to purchase clean energy directly from the source. This can help to reduce energy costs and increase energy security. Digitalization of renewable energy is an important step towards a sustainable energy system. By using digital technologies to predict and optimize energy production, improve energy efficiency, and manage the energy grid, it is possible to make renewable energy a more reliable and cost-effective source of power. In addition, digitalization can help to make renewable energy more accessible to a wider range of people, helping to promote energy security and reduce costs. As the world continues to face the challenges of climate change, it is becoming increasingly important to find new ways to generate and use clean energy. Digitalization of renewable energy is a promising solution that can help to make renewable energy more reliable, efficient, and cost-effective. By embracing this technology, we can work towards a more sustainable future. In conclusion, digitalization of renewable energy is a crucial step towards achieving a sustainable energy system. With the help of AI and ML algorithms, it is possible to predict, optimize and manage the energy produced by renewable energy sources, improve energy efficiency and manage the energy grid, making renewable energy more reliable, cost-effective and accessible. As the world continues to face the challenges of climate change, it is important to invest in digitalization of renewable energy to create. Thank you for choosing RenewEnergy.com as your go-to source for all things renewable energy and sustainability. With our YouTube channel, we explore the latest developments and innovations in the field, including hydrogen fuel cells and the use of AI and machine learning to optimize energy consumption. If you're ready to take the next step towards a cleaner, more sustainable future, visit us at RenewEnergy.com and discover the many ways we can help you transition to renewable energy. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Stay up to date on all the latest news and insights by subscribing today.